Hi, it's Zoisa here, and you can see Fabio, my lovely skeleton here, ready for some melt with his melt ball pouch and the melt rollers behind me. So what is melt? It's a hands-off bodywork, really to help you realign, have better posture, help you get out of pain. It's a real fantastic way to help start your exercises, classes, or even prepare for a massage. So I've just spent today doing like about 5 massages in a row, so I was feeling a bit hunched over, a bit twisted through my pelvis. And when I actually lay down on the floor on my back and noticed when I turned my head, there was a stiffness in my neck. Rather than the weight being even across the back of my shoulder blades and there being a really small curve in my low back, kind of below my belly button, the curve of my back went from the top of my pelvis all the way up to kind of like bra strap, but it wasn't even straight. As I said, I felt I was a bit wonky and twisted. And so those are common signs of imbalance that we check in with before we start doing any melting. And then my pelvis felt uneven bum weight, and back of my thighs were off the floor. So having then switched to using those little foam, well not little, foam rollers, and they're different from your regular foam rollers because they have a little bit of give and squishiness to them. This is like a half roller, and they're also not as wide, and this is a full melt roller, completely round. So just really doing some upper back sequences to help really broaden and open through the chest and really get into the front of the chest here from where I was kind of massaging. And then honestly, once I'd done the melt through my upper body and lower body, we can work direct or indirect. Then I just felt really splatted and broad into the floor. My chest was nice and open. My diaphragm was much more relaxed, so I could just breathe a little bit more easily, which was fantastic. Some people do use regular rollers. They're a bit kind of harsh on the body. And then we work with some balls. So this is one of my little melt balls, a large softball kit. The method was created by Sue Hitzmann, and what I love about it is that in Pilates, or when I'm teaching that, we usually talk about alignment and keeping the shoulders back and finding that centering of the joints and the spine and the pelvis and stability. And actually, if you've melted before you get into Pilates, then you're actually more stable and the body is more aligned, so it helps to really decrease any excess tension through the system before you start exercising. Or if you've just done a really good workout and then you're feeling that one area has just done a little bit too much, or there's no even strain distribution, then you can actually use melt to help recover post-exercise. So it's really good in addition and to work alongside any exercise training or regimes that you do, or just to help your body keep more mobile, agile and pain-free. So if you want to find out some more, check out Melt on my website. I've got some online classes once a week and half an hour in person, and there's a few videos. It was created by Sue Hitzmann, and she also does some melt and demand if you want to research and get a little bit deeper. And there's fantastic melt method book, and you can get a melt method DVD so that you can start being your own massage, hands-off body worker and get yourself out of pain and really help, particularly recuperating after any operations or rehabs. Great, fantastic for that.